eyeliners. Let me drink water first. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? So in my series of videos where I talk about my top favorite, I am actually going to talk about my favorite eyeliners. So right now I am talking about liquid eyeliners. I'm not talking about gel eyeliners because I'm not somebody who wears a lot of gel eyeliners. So I'll be talking about the gel eyeliner in the video where I'll be talking about the kajals. Let's just get into the video. Now, before jumping in, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like me or you like my videos, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. Also, follow me on social media. All the details and links are given in the channel art. Press them and just follow me everywhere. So I have a lot of eyeliners over here, guys. So I'll talk about the pen eyeliner first. Now this one is from Quirky, and this is literally my newest favorite eyeliner. And guys, I tell you, if you are somebody who loves wearing eyeliner in the daily routine and you are somebody like me who's always running because they're always late, this is the eyeliner you should really go for, guys. This is matteness, jet blackness and everything. This is like literally a very nice eyeliner, and you can see it has a really long tip, and you know the wings you make with this eyeliner, wings are literally the prettiest. See, you see the wing? It's prettier, right? It is this black. It is a literally jet black eyeliner. So it is like literally jet black, and I can give you the proof. I'm just going to do the inner corner and you will see for yourself. See, can you believe it, guys? This is literally jet black. I've talked it about on my Instagram, and this is literally a very pretty eyeliner. Definitely, guys, I would say if you are an eyeliner lover, guys, steal this. This is absolute gem. So basically my ring light just broke literally in the middle of the video because my phone just fell off the stand, and the ring light is just fused now. It's just not working. We'll have to make it work like this, guys. So the next eyeliner I'm going to talk about is another favorite of mine, and that is from BAE. Now, one thing about BAE, I'll be very transparent with you guys. This is the eyeliner that I received when I bought it, and this is literally the third time I've got an eyeliner that has this kind of crooked wand. So I wouldn't really tell you that BAE is very trusty when it comes to the product quality that you receive, and this happened to me many times with BAE. I mean, I wouldn't say it's all the time that this happens, but it happens a lot. So definitely that is like a hit and try kind of thing. But if I talk about the product only, I'll show you guys. You see, it is very matte black. It is very pretty. You see this is really nice, right? And the wand of it is really thin, so it is really helpful to make like very pretty thin wings. So in that case, you can definitely make use of this eyeliner because it's really pretty. You can definitely give it a try if you want to, but obviously, as I said, it is like a matter of like hit and try method because you can never be sure with BAE. So BAE eyeliner for second. Then I have a recent love of mine, that is this I-AmsterDAMN eyeliner. Now this is the eyeliner. See, again, a matte black kind of eyeliner, but again the wand of this eyeliner is kind of thick. If I talk about the BAE, the wand of this eyeliner is thin, and it's absolute love for, you know, these crevices and making precise wings. This is on the thicker side, so if you are somebody who just puts like eyeliner, this can be, you know, like literally pretty for you because you don't have to, you know, take a lot of time to make thicker eyeliners. It's going to be like literally perfect. So definitely you can give this one a try if you are somebody who does not, you know, make like huge wings. So yeah. Okay, so next up I have is eyeliner from Quirky, and you guys know I have loved this eyeliner. I have like a dedicated review video on this eyeliner, and I think I don't have to say a lot about this because it is a very pretty eyeliner, lovely to make wings with, jet black, absolute matte, everything good with this eyeliner. There's nothing wrong with it. I would always tell you, if you want to invest in something, a good eyeliner, Stay Quirky is literally one of the best eyeliners. And also, if I talk about Stay Quirky eyeliners, I do have Stay Quirky eyeliners in a lot of shades. I have the bronze, copper, white, whatnot. I have all the shades from Stay Quirky. I have the white one, I have the bronze one, I have the copper one, I have the golden one, and so on. So definitely I have black in two variants, in two different bottles. So that is how much I love these Stay Quirky eyeliners. These are literally one of the best eyeliners out there in the Indian market that are very cheap. These are like only 140 rupees or something, 150 rupees at the most, because they are very, very cheap. So definitely you can try these because these are epic. Now, I do not have a lot of eyeliners left because I will quickly finish off. Now, let me talk about Maybelline Colossal. Then I have another one from Maybelline. Okay, I do have another eyeliner from Maybelline, which was actually similar to this one, the black one, you know, the black variant of this one. But I just cannot find it right now. I don't know where I have kept it, but I kind of love that one too. Now, if you are somebody who does not like matte eyeliners and would rather go for the glossier ones, I would recommend the one from this range. This was the Hyper Glossy liner. Obviously, it says glossy, so it is glossier in color. But this one is in blue shade. And it is kind of dried up because I bought it literally 2 years back. So definitely, if you want a glossier eyeliner, I would recommend you the Maybelline glossier ones. If you want the matte black ones, I would recommend you the Hyper Glossy in Colossal Bold. Now, see, it's Colossal, it's bold and everything. The only bad thing about this is the way, oh my god, see the tip of it. It's major, it's colossal, it's literally colossal. The tip is so huge, it's very difficult to make good wings with it. But the eyeliner is absolute love. The mattest of the mattes, you know, out of all these 5 eyeliners, this is the one which is the mattest, and it is this one. So if you are a fan of a matte eyeliner, definitely this one is good to go for you. And if I try to smudge, most of these wouldn't really smudge, because all of these are literally smudge proof, and you know, each one of them is literally tested by me throughout the day. I wear them to the office and no one of them smudges. They are that good. So yes, I found the Hyper Glossy one just in time for you guys. So yeah, see, this is how it is. Definitely it's not going to dry down matte. It is glossier in texture, but definitely it is blacker than these all matte ones. So if you are somebody who does not mind the glossier ones, you can definitely try the Hyper Glossy one. Also, now I want to give honorable mentions to a few eyeliners that I used in the previous times I don't have right now. One of them was from Yanqina. That is a literally pretty eyeliner. I have, you know, done a video on that also. And another one that I bought was from Essence. Now that Essence one wasn't literally the jet black one, so it kind of lacked that blackness, but it was a nice eyeliner. Then I have another eyeliner. This one I bought from the local market, and it is actually from Mars, and this one is in blue color. It wouldn't literally, yeah, see, it's in blue color, and it's matte color, and I actually wore them on my Diwali party to my office. It's a very pretty eyeliner. I just wanted to mention it because if any one of you actually sees this liner in the market, in the local market, guys, I would literally recommend you it to the moon and back, because it's very pretty. See, this is very pretty. I absolutely love this eyeliner, guys. If you find this one even in black or, you know, any color, grab this. It's very pretty. So yes, guys, this is it for today's video. These were all the eyeliners that I absolutely love. And yeah, if you have another eyeliner recommendation for me, because I love wings, I wear wings all the time. So if you have eyeliner recommendations for me, do let me know, because I am all ears for good eyeliners. So yes, hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.